Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to quickly crop your images without using complicated software like Photoshop, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through 4 easy methods for cropping images in Canva, a super simple free tool you can use right in your web browser. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to crop any photo for social media, presentations, or creative projects, all without breaking a sweat. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, open up your browser and head over to Canva.com. If you don't already have an account, it only takes a minute to sign up, and there's a free version that's perfect for this kind of basic image editing. Once you're on Canva, look up at the top right and click the Create a Design button. This will take you to a menu where you can pick preset sizes for things like Instagram posts or flyers, but today let's learn how to choose your own dimensions, so click on Custom Size. For this example, go ahead and type in 200 by 200 pixels. That's a nice square format which works well for profile pictures or thumbnails. Of course, if you're planning to crop for a specific purpose, say a Facebook cover or a YouTube banner, you can always enter those exact measurements. Picking the right dimensions right at the start can save you a lot of resizing and headaches later on. Now that you've got your blank canvas, it's time to add your image. Over on the left-hand menu, you'll see an Uploads option. Click that, then either drag and drop your chosen photo in or use the Upload button if you prefer. Once your image is uploaded, just click it and it'll drop onto your canvas. You can always move it around if it doesn't land in quite the right spot, just click and drag. Here comes the fun part, cropping your image. With the image selected, take a look at the toolbar across the top of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Crop. Go ahead and give that a click. The crop tool is like a pair of scissors. It lets you decide exactly which part of the photo to keep and what to snip away. After you click Crop, you'll notice that lines appear around your image and some handles on the corners and sides. This is Canva's way of asking, alright, which part do you want to keep? All you need to do here is click and drag those edges inwards or outwards, framing the exact area you want. Take your time with this step. Maybe you want to zoom in on someone's face or cut out a distracting background detail. The beauty of cropping is that you control the story your image tells. If you're not sure what looks best, don't stress. You can adjust the crop as much as you like before finalizing it. Take a moment to play around, drag the box back and forth, and see what feels right. Sometimes you don't realize what looks perfect until you try a few different crops. Once you have the crop just how you like it, look for the Done button at the top of the screen and give it a click. And that's it, you've just cropped your image in Canva. The whole process only takes a minute or two, and you get exactly the look you want. So there you have it, 4 quick steps to cropping images perfectly in Canva, no Photoshop required. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Canva tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy creating.